So children, this is the story of the red flower. This is chapter 8. It's written as a play where you can see the red flower is talking, the sun is talking, and the friends of red flower, they are also talking. So what is there in the story, children? What is there here given? Now you can see the red flower here. Yes, this is the red flower, and she had many friends. Who all were those friends? The trees, animals, birds, clouds, winds, and the sun. Okay, and who was the best friend of red flower? Out of all of these, best friend of the red flower was the sun. Yes, children. Okay, so what happens when the sun comes out in the morning? Is greeting to the red flower. Hello, red flower. I bring a good morning to you. So now the sun is asking a question to the red flower. Did my sister Night give you any good dreams in your sleep? So the red flower is replying, yes, more than you, dear sun. She gave me so many dreams from the countries you go to every day. Tell me what you really saw on the other side while I was sleeping. So the red flower is asking sun to tell her what the sun had seen on the other side of the earth while the red flower was sleeping. So though the sun is replying, yes, I saw many lands. Come, I will tell you. So red flower and the sun, they talk and play. Night comes, sun goes, red flower sleeps. It is morning again. So both of them, they used to talk and play together. Both the red flower and the sun, they were best friends. Okay, children. So they used to play together, talk together. And when the sun goes down, the red flower used to sleep. And next day, it was morning again. What happened next, children? Next day, the red flower is having a problem. What is it? Oh, what a pain in my neck. I can't open my petals. I can't even stand up. I can't even get up and stand. You can see, children, the red flower is bending down. It is unable to stand. Why? Because there's a pain in her neck. And she's unable to open petals. Petals means this is the petals. Okay, children, these are the petals of the flower. So, the red flower is crying. The red flower weeps. Sun comes in. Now the sun is asking the red flower to get up. Red flower, get up. It is morning. Look what is shining from me. But there was no answer from the red flower. Why, children? Because the red flower, she was having pain in her neck. So the red flower is not giving any answer. So the sun is again asking, red flower, what's the matter? Why don't you talk? Oh sun, my dear bright sun, what shall I do? I cannot get up. My neck is paining. So the red flower is saying that her neck is paining. There's a horrid little worm in my neck and it won't come out. I'm feeling ill. I can't get up. So what was the problem? There was a worm. You all know, no children, what is a worm? A small size caterpillar. Okay, this is a worm that you can see in the picture. So there was a worm in the neck of the red flower, and that is the reason she was not feeling well. Red flower lies down again. So the sun is saying, what shall I do now? I don't know how to help my friend. I don't feel like shining. I will go and sleep in my tent of clouds. So the sun is very sad because he is unable to play with the red flower. So now the sun is saying that I am also not feeling like shining. I am going to sleep in my tent of clouds. So the clouds come, and what are the clouds saying? We are the clouds. We are the tent for sun when he is lazy. And when he is sad, he comes and hides his head in our folds, and they cover the sun. So children, the clouds are saying that whenever the sun is feeling lazy or feeling very sad, the sun it goes and hides under the clouds. Okay. So now the red flower is feeling more sad. Why, children? Because she's saying, now sun has gone to hide in his tent and I am alone with this pain in my neck. So she's feeling very sad because the sun is not there. Now who comes in, children? The wind sisters come. Okay, here it's denoted as sisters. Okay, wind sisters come. And they are inquiring, where is brother sun? Why isn't he shining today? Brother sun, where are you? Brother sun, brother sun. So children, the wind, they are looking for the sun. So sun is replying, I am here behind the clouds. So the wind is asking, why are you hiding? The sun is saying, I am very sad today. My red flower is ill. She has pain in her neck because a worm has got in. So now the wind is saying, if brother sun does not shine, we shall not blow either. We will sit under those trees. And wind sisters sit. So what happened, children? Now since the sun was not shining, the wind sisters, they also started feeling very sad. And they said that we are also not going to blow. There will be no air, there will be no breeze. So we are going to sit under the trees. Okay. So they went and they sat under the trees. Now all of a sudden somebody comes in. Who is that? He is the cock. You all know is a cock? Yes. He tries to crow but cannot. You all know, no, children, how does the cocks crow? Yes. In the early morning they make out the sound that is called crowing. Okay, that's called crow. So the cock is trying to crow but it is unable to do so. What is he saying? Oh dear, it is so stuffy. Why don't the winds blow? Dear winds, do blow a little. It is so stuffy. Now what happens, children, when it is very stuffy, it is very warm, uncomfortable, and there is no breeze. No breeze means when it is a hot day and you don't find the breeze, the air blowing, so you're unable to do any work. You're unable to talk. You're unable to crow. The cock was unable to crow. So wind is replying, we will not blow today. Our brother sun is sad. So the cock is asking, why? Because the red flower is ill. There is a worm in her neck. So the cock is saying, I can't crow today. I'm feeling out of sorts. So out of sorts means the cock is not feeling well because it's unable to crow. It's unable to take out the sound that he does every day in the morning or any time of the day, other time of the day. So the cock is also not feeling well because it's unable to crow. I will sit by the pond. Maybe it will make me feel better. So the cock went and sat near the pond. What happened next, children? Somebody enters. Somebody comes in. Who is that? Cat. Meow. This is the sound you all know, na? Hello, friend cock. How are you? Let's have a game of gulli danda. So the cat is talking to the cock. Let's go and play gulli danda. You all know what is gulli danda. Long back people used to play this game, children. Okay, it's an outdoor game. So the cock is saying, leave me alone. I'm not well at all. I have a stuffy throat. So the cock is not feeling well. So the cat is asking, well, why don't you sing loudly? It will clear your throat. Haven't you crowed today? So the cock is saying, no, I haven't. I can't. So the cat is saying, why not? Because sun is unhappy and has hidden behind the clouds. So the cat is asking, why is the sun unhappy? Because the red flower is ill. Again cat is asking, what's happened to her? What's happened to the red flower? So the cock is saying, a worm has got into her neck and it is paining. So the cat is saying, everything has gone wrong today. Never mind, I will sit here and keep you company, friend cock. So the cat is ready to give company to the cock. He's saying that I will sit with you. Okay, all day long. So the cat sits. Suddenly frog laughs. So a frog comes in, children, and it started laughing. So the cat is saying, who dares to laugh? Angrily is asking, who dares to laugh? So the frog is saying, I laughed, sister cat. What is so funny? The cat is saying, why are you laughing? What is so funny? So frog is saying, you are. So the cat is saying, meow, don't be so smart. I will gobble you up. So the cat is saying to the frog that if you try to be smart, I will gobble you up. What is the meaning of gobble? Gobble means to eat very quickly. I'll eat you. So the frog is saying, wait, sister cat, listen to me. So many of you are unhappy because Red Flower is ill. Why don't you make her well again? So the cat is, yes, that's a good idea, says the cat. So now cock is saying, now why didn't I think of this before? So the cock is ready to help. Cat helps cock get up. Cock goes to the Red Flower. Now Red Flower is saying, please don't bother me. Let me be. Let me be means she wants to be alone. She is not willing to talk to anybody. So cock is saying, please let me help you. I promise I won't hurt you. And slowly and gently the cock pulls out the worm. It pulls out the insect that was sitting on the Red Flower's neck. So now Red Flower is saying, what a relief. I am well again. How nice it is. Thank you. So all winds, they came in again. Red Flower is well again. We must blow now. We shall blow so hard and we shall blow so fast that the tent of the clouds in which sun is hiding will blow open. So now when the winds, they start blowing, the clouds, they will disappear. They will go away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winds, they started blowing. And because of the winds blowing very fast, the clouds, they disappeared. They went away. And the sun comes out. Cock crows. Cat jumps. Frog laughs and claps. So all are happy children. It's a happy day now. So what are they all talking now? It is easy to sit and cry when things go wrong somewhere. But if someone has the sense and cares to make a try, things will come right again. Well said, children. Very well said. That if you sit and cry, nobody is there to help you. Nobody is going to help you out. You are going to be alone. When things go wrong, you should not sit and cry. You should always think over. You should try to find a solution. How can you come out of a problem? But if someone has the sense and cares to make a try, things will come right again. This will apply to you also, children. If you are in trouble, always think of the solution and definitely you are going to find one. So all shall be happy and gay. All shall be happy and gay. All shall be happy and gay. Gay means to be very happy and in a good mood. So now all are happy. The Red Flower is happy. The sun is happy. Wind is happy. The animals are happy. And then and cares to make a try. Things will come right again. Well said, children. Very well said. That if you sit and cry, nobody is there to help you. Nobody is going to help you out. You are going to be alone. When things go wrong, you should not sit and cry. You should always think over. You should try to find a solution. How can you come out of a problem? But if someone has the sense and cares to make a try, things will come right again. This will apply to you also, children. If you are in trouble, always think of the solution and definitely you are going to find one. So all shall be happy and gay. All shall be happy and gay. All shall be happy and gay. Gay means to be very happy and in a good mood. So now all are happy. The Red Flower is happy. The sun is happy. wind is happy, the animals are happy, and then they enjoy their day. So this is a beautiful story. Okay, you all read this story, children, once again. So children, I'll send you the hard words and word meanings. You do the work in your English copy, okay? Now we are going to meet in the next class. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.